How to make money with WarriorPlus. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use WarriorPlus and how you can use its affiliate program to earn money. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So I'm over here on WarriorPlus.com, and this is a pretty amazing website. This is basically affiliate marketing website where you can get different types of products, and then you promote those products through your affiliate link and you earn money in the form of commission whenever those products are sold or someone clicks on that link. So let's just jump right into it. So the sign up process is free, as you can see over here. So we just simply click on sign up for free on this button, and we just enter in our username, password, and email address, and click on this button and just simply sign up. All right, so over here, once you've signed up, all you got to do is just activate your account. They're going to send you a verification email into your email, and then just simply click on that link and you're going to be verified. So I'm going to open up over here. As you can see, this is the email. I just simply click on this link and then it's going to verify my account, and I can go ahead and start using WarriorPlus. So as you can see, your account is now activated. Now we just simply click on the login button over here and log in. All right, so what is the number one reason you create an account today? I want to sell my own products as a vendor. I want to earn money as an affiliate, or I want to buy products and services related to the online business and marketing. So we're going to choose the second account. And so we're going to choose the second option over here, and it's going to open up this page over here. I want to earn as an affiliate. So over here, we basically find offers to promote, and then we have a bunch of different other options that we can see. So we click on this link over here to find the products that we want to earn. And over here, we will have a bunch of different products. So as you can see, we have a bunch of different products. Now we just want to get some products that is, in a niche that is very popular, like you would say weight loss. I think that's a pretty different niche. That's a pretty popular niche, right? So if we just simply search for, let's say, weight loss, maybe we can find a product. So over here we can see we have a bunch of different products. So these are the products, but they aren't really that good. I mean, the conversion rate for this one is 1%, and the visitor value is this $0.21, and the average sale is around $27. So I don't think we can go with this one. Maybe like in a different niche, we can add some products, maybe like dogs. So maybe like if I just simply search for dogs, and over here we have a bunch of different other ones as well, but we haven't, but not really good. We just have to look at the conversion rate, the visitor value, and the average sale. All right, so over here, as you can see, this has a pretty decent conversion rate, and we have 50 plus sales of this product, and the visitor value is also pretty high, $2 if someone just visits your link, and the average sale is around 24, so which is pretty good. We can go with this product right here. Now you just simply request this product from the vendor, right? You over here, you contact the vendor and you request for for the approval of the vendor. When he says yes, you can go ahead and you can start earning. So over here, as you can see, 50% is the commission for the for the sales, and over here they have some like a competition. First prize is going to be $75, second prize is $50, and third prize is $25. So minimum of 30 FE sales are required to qualify, so which is pretty good. So let's just say that you have this link, you've contacted the vendor and he's provided you the link. Now how do you basically promote the product? Well, it's pretty simple. You can go with a TikTok. So I'm over here on TikTok right now, and if we search for, like, let's say dog trainers, then we can see we have a bunch of different people, right? So if I go into accounts, maybe let's click on this account, and you can see that this person has an affiliate link in his bio. This is basically maybe like promoting his own products. And so over here, as you can see, all these different videos, these aren't his dog videos. These are like videos he found on the internet. So you could probably do the same, right? You find these videos that are like really funny, really cute looking dogs, and you upload them over here. You build a following, and then you put these, link in the bio of your TikTok. And you can do this on Instagram as well, and on social media, and on other social media as well, such as YouTube as well. So it's a pretty decent idea. Again, this is one example. The other example could be this one as well. So I believe this one also has an affiliate link over here. So as you can see now over here, I mean, this person basically, I think he's a dog trainer, so like a professional dog trainer. So of course these videos that he has are gonna be of himself training dogs. We can have other options as well. So, and it doesn't even have to be limited to dogs, right? If your product is of any niche, maybe like, wood cutting or woodworks. So if I just simply search for woodworks, or let's just simply search for wood, then we have this account over here. Then as you can see over here, again, a affiliate link over here. It's going to take us to his shop where we can find the products that he's promoting, and it's pretty simple. So as you can see, woodworks, this one as well, this person has an affiliate link in the bio, basically a Linktree account, but you get the idea. So this is the thing that you're going to do. You're going to get your products from WarriorPlus. You're going to access them. You're going to ask the vendor to approve and give you the affiliate link. And once you have the affiliate link, you like promote these types of links online. Now, another way that you can do this is by individual, link. So maybe like you have a link, you have the affiliate link, you go over to Facebook, you join different groups within Facebook of that niche. So if it's a woodworking niche, you join the woodworks and you promote the links within that group. So when you log into Facebook, you just simply search for that, group. So if your product is related to weight loss, then you just simply search for like a weight loss or, weight loss group. So let me just search for it. So over here we have all people, videos, and all of that. We're gonna go to pages, and over here we have weight loss pages like these. Then over here, as you can see, it has a lot of followers, 5.3 reviews, which is pretty good. So over here you go into this, page, you join it, and then you promote your affiliate link. You can be like, hey, see, like these people are promoting their affiliate links, like they have their YouTube channels and all of that. They're promoting different links, but then you can do the exact same thing. So it doesn't matter what niche you choose. It doesn't matter what you're doing. You can go ahead and easily promote these affiliate links online. Again, if your product is related to woodworks, then over here, as you can see, we have Fancy Woodworks, then 78 members. Now, granted that, so again, as you can see, woodworking groups over here, you can promote your affiliate links by, it all depends on you. So for example, you can even create these types of videos as well. As I said, all you got to do is just be a little bit of creative. You go over to Pexels, which is a free website where you can find stock footage, stock videos, right? Go over here onto this website. You find these videos that you want to upload onto TikTok, and right over here, you want to upload on TikTok. So let's just say that we search for like dogs, right? We search for dogs. I'm going to find some dog videos over here. We'll switch to video over here. All right. And then in filters, we're going to change the orientation to vertical. And now we have the vertical orientation. All the videos are going to be in vertical format, which is perfect for TikTok. Then we just simply download these videos that we think are cute, we think are funny, and we upload them onto TikTok. We try to garner ourselves a following, and then when we have that following, we start uploading our affiliate links. It's going to take a little bit of time. It's not going to be, you're not going to be earning hundreds and thousands of dollars day one. It's going to take some time. It's going to take some hard work. So you have to be ready for that. So pretty much that's how you do it. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.